In this video, we will delve into the detailed process of registering a DBA in Massachusetts, explain the importance of this registration, and cover additional relevant information. Should you require assistance with the filing process, you can easily access the services of Zen Business and InkFile by following the links provided in the description box below. And with that in mind, let's get started. Overview. If you're a business owner in Massachusetts operating under a name different from your legal business entity's name, you may need to register a DBA, also known as a trade name or fictitious business name. Registering a DBA is a crucial step for sole proprietors, partnerships, and corporations looking to do business under a name that doesn't match their legal entity's name. In this article, we'll guide you through the process of registering a DBA in Massachusetts and explain why it's essential. What is a DBA? A DBA, or doing business as name, is a legal alias for your business. It allows you to operate under a name other than your own personal name or the registered legal name of your business entity, such as a corporation or LLC. Registering a DBA is typically necessary when you want to use a business name that is different from your personal or entity's legal name. Why register a DBA in Massachusetts? Number 1. Legal compliance. Registering a DBA ensures legal compliance with the state regulations. Massachusetts law requires businesses to register their trade names to operate under a different name than their legal entity's name. Number 2. Branding and marketing. A DBA allows you to create a distinct brand identity for your business. It's an effective way to market your products or services under a memorable name that resonates with your target audience. Number 3. Professionalism. Registering a DBA adds a level of professionalism to your business. It shows that you are a legitimate and established entity, which can instill trust in your customers and partners. Banking and contracts. Many banks require a registered DBA to open a business bank account. Additionally, when entering into contracts or agreements, having a registered trade name simplifies the process. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of registering a DBA in Massachusetts. Step 1. Name search. Before you can register a DBA in Massachusetts, you need to ensure that the name you want to use is available. Visit the Massachusetts Secretary of the Commonwealth Corporation Division website and conduct a name search to check for existing business with a similar name. It's essential to choose a unique name to avoid potential conflicts. Step 2. Register with the appropriate agency. Sole proprietorships and partnerships. If you're a sole proprietor or part of a partnership, you'll need to register your DBA with the city or town clerk's office where your business is located. Contact the local clerk's office to find out specific registration requirements, fees, and forms. Complete the required DBA registration form, providing your chosen trade name, your name, business address, and other requested information. Pay the registration fee, which varies depending on the city or town. Corporations and LLCs. If you're operating a corporation or LLC, you'll register your DBA with the Massachusetts Secretary of the Commonwealth. Download and complete the Statement of Intent to Conduct Business under a Trade Name form from the Secretary of Commonwealth's website. Submit the form along with the filing fee, which is typically around $50. Payment options and details can be found on the Secretary of the Commonwealth's website. Step 3. Publish a notice. In some Massachusetts towns, sole proprietors and partnerships are required to publish a notice in a local newspaper stating their intention to use a DBA. The notice must run once a week for 3 consecutive weeks. After publishing, you'll receive an affidavit of publication from the newspaper, which you'll need to submit to the city or town clerk. Step 4. Renewal and maintenance. DBA registration in Massachusetts typically need to be renewed periodically, which varies by city or town. Check with your local clerk's office for specific renewal requirements and deadlines. In conclusion, registering a DBA in Massachusetts is a crucial step for businesses looking to operate under a different name than their legal entity's name. It ensures legal compliance, help with branding, and adds professionalism to your business. By following the step-by-step process outlined in this guide, you can successfully register your DBA and enjoy the benefits of conducting business under a distinct name. Remember to stay informed about renewal requirements to keep your DBA in good standing. And there you have it, how to register a DBA in Massachusetts. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.